Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, this is our video about a day as a junior accounting technician intern at PT Sakubi Teknologi Indonesia. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Irlan Hafiz Firdaus.
I am Haura Zhafira Khairiah.
I'm Nattazya Ramadhani Musthofa.
My name is Kirania Syafira.
And I am Putri Sutanto.
Enjoy!
First of all, we would like to introduce our internship placement. We conducted our internship at PT Sakubi Teknologi Indonesia. This is located in ILRC building, DISTP, Directorate of Science Technopark, second floor, co-working space, Universitas Indonesia. During the internship, we worked in the accounting and finance department, where we record financial transactions, manage financial documents, and assisted in preparing financial reports. This experience allowed us to apply our accounting knowledge in a real-world professional environment. The reason for doing this internship was to apply the accounting knowledge learned in school to real-world situations. Through this experience, we learned how to process financial data, manage transaction documents, and prepare simple financial reports based on proper standards. This internship also gave us valuable workplace experience and helped us become better prepared for entering the professional world.
We joined this internship as a continuation of our industrial class program, seeing it as a valuable opportunity for us, especially for the accounting major. This program was something special because it was the first time it had ever been held. We carry out the industrial class program from March to June 2025, and it was then continued with the internship program from July to October 2025. We start our day with duha prayer and morning briefing. Then, we work with client data by converting it into Excel, cleaning the data, identifying transaction, preparing trial balance, recording journal entries, and compiling financial statement. After the break, we continue our work until the end of the day and fill in our daily logbook before going home.
And regarding the problems we encountered during the internship, one of them was the data converted from PDF to Excel is messy and unordered, making it difficult to read, identify, and process. Initially, we tried manually tidying up by matching the data to the original PDF files, but that proved to be a time-consuming and error-prone process. So, we thought a more efficient approach. After deep searching and more discussion, we found several ways to solve the problem. We used a combination of several Excel formulas to tidy up the data. The first is trim, to remove excess spaces. And the second is text join plus text split, to combine split transaction data and remove enter strings. The third is text to column, to separate transaction sections. And the end result is neater, more efficient, and easier to read transaction data for subsequent recording.
During the internship, many soft skills were developed through real-world experience. Analytical thinking and problem-solving improved while analyzing incomplete financial data and rebuilding records carefully. Teamwork and communication were strengthened through regular discussion to understand transaction and decide account classification. Time management was trained by completing reports on schedule, while attention to detail helped reduce errors. Integrity was also maintained to ensure every report reflected the client's actual condition honestly. In addition, several hard skills were gained through direct accounting practice. The full accounting cycle was applied, starting from preparing the chart of accounts, recording transactions in the general journal, completing worksheet, preparing financial statement, and making closing entries. Skills in organizing messy data and classifying accounts correctly were also developed to produce clear and reliable financial information.
Next, we would like to explain our valuable experience during the internship, especially the differences between learning at school and practicing directly in the workplace. Point 1. Transaction documents. At school, transaction documents are usually complete and clearly explained. During the internship, some client documents were not complete and did not always have clear descriptions. We had to check them carefully and decide the type of transaction by ourselves. This trained us to be more careful and think more critically. Point 2. The accounting process. In school, we learn the full accounting process step by step, from journal entries to financial reports. In the workplace, especially for small business, the process was sometimes simpler. Not every business needed all the steps. From this, we learned that accounting in real life can be flexible depending on the company's needs. Point 3. Communication. In school, we can directly ask teacher or friends when we don't understand something. During the internship, communication was more professional. We had to choose the right time to ask questions and explain problems clearly. This helped us become more confident and professional. Point 4. Tools and work system. At school, we usually work on paper or use simple software. During the internship, we used Microsoft Excel to prepare financial reports. We had to understand formulas and organize data carefully. Even a small mistake could affect the result. This made us realize how important technical skills are. Point 5. Journal format and chart of account. In school, journal formats and chart of account are already prepared. During the internship, we had to adjust the chart of account based on the client business. This helped us to understand how accounting system work in real situation. From all these experiences, we learned that the difference between school learning and internship practice are not obstacles, but opportunities to grow. School gives us strong basic knowledge and help us understand the theory step by step. Meanwhile, the internship teach us how to apply that knowledge in real situation where conditions are not always perfect and sometimes unpredictable. In the end, both school and internship complement each other and help prepare us to become more ready and competent in the professional world.
During our 7-month internship at PT Sakubi Teknologi Indonesia, we experienced the real accounting cycle of UMKM, from processing raw data to compiling complete financial statement. The challenge we face, such as incomplete and unstructured data, trained us to be more careful, critical, and collaborative in solving problems. Every process taught us that professionalism is not only about skills, but also about attitude, responsibility, and teamwork. This experience did not only shape our technical abilities, but also build our character, mindset, and readiness to step into the professional world with confidence.
That's all about our internship experience as junior accounting technician at PT Sakubi Teknologi Indonesia. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum